Hello, Mr. Dindo de la Peña. This is Rosal Zuniaga Toro, your student in Ed 201. Welcome to my video in poster making, a life of a working student who lives in a motor shop. My poster tells a powerful story in a very human way. On the left side, we see the earth looking weak, dry, and in pain. Its cracked surface and tired face symbolize how much damage desertification and drought have caused. Yet even in its suffering, Earth is still reaching out, showing us that it still has a hope and relying on us to care. On the right side, the bright green trees with open arms represents hope, life, and the people who continue to protect and restore nature. The flowing water, healthy land, and animals remind us of what is possible when we act with care and responsibility. Altogether, my poster shows the message that while Earth is suffering, it still believes in us. And through restoration, resilience, and the love for the environment, we can surely bring back life and balance.